If your life feels off right now, you know, unfocused, messy, or maybe inconsistent self, don't try to fix everything right now. Don't try to fix everything right now. You just have to reset. That's all you need to do. You just have to reset your life. And if you stay with me in 24 hours, you will be able to reset your life exactly how you want it. Only if you follow this step that I'm going to tell you today. So guys, stay with me and let's unfold this right now. Congratulations if you found this video, because after this video you will be able to take back full control of your life. Right now your environment is controlling you. Yes, your environment is totally controlling you. Why? Because your environment is messy, and this alone instantly causes distraction. Your environment is noisy. This alone causes you confusion totally. So do this instead right now. Clean your room. Yes. Remove unnecessary things that you don't want, or things that are left maybe one side or one corner of your room. Remove them. And mind you, this is not about being neat. No. This is about removing mental friction that could disturb your brain. Your smartphone is your biggest distraction. I believe you have known this even before coming across this video, but you don't just know how to stop. But you have to do this today, because this is slowly, contributing to failure in your life. So you need to stop. So do this right now. Delete 3 apps that you normally spend so much time on your phone. Then turn on your notification. Yeah, because this brings so much distraction to you. Then always put your phone aside while you are working. Always put it aside. Don't let it get closer to you, because it will definitely distract you. Some message from friends, some message from family that you are not prepared to see at that particular time will pop up. So you need to put your phone aside while you are working. You don't need more discipline. You just need fewer interruptions in your way. That is why you need to do this. Now do this. Write one clear goal. Most people fail in life because they do too much. So right now, just write something. Write a goal you are going to carry out tomorrow. Right now, do that right now. Not 5, not 10, not 20. Just one goal that you are going to execute tomorrow. Don't let it mix up. Just particular one. Write it down. That okay, maybe I'm going to work tomorrow and this is what I'm going to do. Let it be that particular thing, or maybe that particular thing that you're going to do. Time blocks your day. I've actually told this to some people, but they don't actually understand. See, if you don't control your time, it gradually disappears. So do this. Set your time to 2-3 hours. Make sure you set it to a block, like one task at a time. No switching. No switching. Finish the task, because this is actually where real progress starts. Ability to do one thing at a particular time and finish it before getting to another. Always take action immediately. Stop waiting for tomorrow. In fact, don't wait for tomorrow. See, a lot of people plan and plan and plan, but they never execute. They never, for once, execute all their plans. They have their book written. Yes, they have so many activities set, but they have never done any one. They are just planning. And so at some point, it will look very devastating, because they have not actually achieved even one before the year runs out of all their plans that they have written down. Cut the excuses. They are not doing you any good. In fact, you don't even need them. You don't need excuses. You don't need motivation. You don't need much discipline in your life. All you need is execution, my dear. Try and be the type of person that executes. After planning, make sure you execute your plans. In fact, you don't even need to plan much. Yes, you don't need to write down 40 things to do in the year. If it's 5 that you can execute, plan it and make sure you execute it. Yes, if you are going to buy land this year, don't mix it with any other thing. If you are going to build house, if you are not going to buy maybe a car, or even though you are going to get married, Make sure after the planning of that marriage, you execute, make sure you marry that year. That is how progress accelerates. Trust me, that's actually how it accelerates. Make sure you are finishing before getting to another. If somebody is telling you that there's a new life somewhere, even I do not believe any new life there is somewhere. You just have to reset the life you have got. You just have to reset the life that you have within you right now. That's all. There is no other attribution to it. You just have to reset basically everything that is within you. Just trust me for once. Even if you haven't gained your trust before, just give me one chance to prove you right that I'm worth trustworthy. See, just follow all I've said, all these things that I've said, just follow it for 24 hours. And I promise you, you will never feel stuck again. Yes, you will never feel stuck again because I'm confident in what I'm telling you because I've actually practicalized it and it actually works like magic. So thank you for watching and I always appreciate I always appreciate you coming to watch this video because this increases someone, it does not reduce someone. So a big shout out to you on the other end of the screen for watching and know that I love you. Have a lovely weekend and stay safe as always. See you next time, next video.